Why you hunting me?
Ma'am, because you're not listening.
Okay, but why you hunting me?
Okay, but you gotta say.
Yeah, excuse me, guys. Why did I help you?
We're trying to talk to you.
Yeah, but I
need
need to. Yeah, I could talk to you.
Were you in Gucci before?
Why you?
Because you're not listening. You gotta stay seated.
Okay, but I'm coming.
Stay seated.
I want to listen to him instead.
Who's him?
I'm trying to respect him and obey him.
Who?
See what's going on. You gotta
Let me respect him.
This is Nordstrom. This is Victoria's Secret.
take all the property.
But that's not the dress. That's not
It's a white dress. Her camel pants are right there that she was wearing. She took them off. 100%. 100%. This is stolen from somewhere.
Is that the Gucci bag?
That's Style & Co.
And that's the brothers.
Don't go nowhere, ma'am. Stop. Stop. Why would you run? What are they trying to do?
All right, ma'am, you're under arrest. All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, will be provided for you. Understand? Ma'am?
Mister, you okay? Do you need to see an ambulance or anything? Hello? Miss, you need to see an ambulance or anything?
Did you leave anything else on that bench?
No.
There's no other bags or anything?
No, that's all he has.
See, that's wrong. That's a great
It's going to be all this stuff.
405 radio time.
This is the individual?
Yeah.
Can you send someone to Gucci, find out what they want to do, what kind of bags she took?
Gucci?
Gucci.
This analysis sets aside the play-by-play and focuses on the law that governs every decision in this footage. Start with the seizure. The Fourth Amendment permits a warrantless arrest whenever an officer has probable cause to believe a crime occurred. A loss prevention camera identification paired with stolen merchandise recovered on the subject is among the strongest probable cause postures available. Flight on first contact does not create probable cause by itself, but under settled law, it reinforces a basis for the stop that already exists. The Fifth Amendment enters through Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, which requires warnings before any custodial interrogation. Reciting those rights at the moment of arrest and confirming them on camera afterward forecloses a later suppression argument.
Yep.
I must have knocked it off the channel. You want to sit up?
What's your first name, ma'am?
Sit up and stay here. Don't move.
I'm going to sit down.
All right, stay like that.
Sitting down.
Yes, I'm going to sit down.
Yes, you're sitting down.
What's going on, man?
Stay like that.
Why are you running?
I'm not running.
You ran from. What are you talking about? You ran?
Tell you something.
I need to tell you you're being recorded, so what do you need to tell me? What do you need to tell me, ma'am?
Wait. I need to
Just
talk
stay
to
sitting.
him. But I want to talk to
listening.
him.
I'm talking to him right here. What's up?
Okay, but I need to talk to him.
What's up?
You're listening.
What time the bus come?
We're not worried about the bus. You're no longer getting on the bus.
Yeah, you're not getting on the bus.
Where am I going? I'm not getting on the bus.
You're coming with us to Melbourne Police Headquarters. To Melbourne Police Headquarters. I read you your Miranda rights before. Did you understand them?
But he's my friend.
Who's your friend?
Did you understand the Miranda rights I read you
But
before?
can I get my friend?
Who's your friend?
Man, we're not worried about your friend
My
right now.
friend is right here.
No, stay seated.
Wait, I know.
Stop moving. Or you're going to go in the car. Stop.
Why you hunting me?
Ma'am, because you're not listening.
Okay, but why you hunting me?
Okay, but you gotta say.
Yeah, excuse me, guys. Why did I help you?
We're trying to talk to you.
Yeah,
Can you
but I
talk
need
to me?
to. Yeah, I could talk to you.
Were you in Gucci before?
Why you?
Because you're not listening. You gotta stay seated.
Okay, but I'm coming.
Stay seated.
Yes, there.
Stay seated.
Yes.
Stay seated.
But I'm trying to get up to
No.
respect him.
No.
I need to respect him.
Ma'am. No, you're not
But
getting
why
up.
you? But why you?
Because you're not listening. You gotta stay seated and sit
I
down.
want to listen to him instead.
Who's him?
I'm trying to respect him and obey him.
Who?
See what's going on. You gotta stay.
Let me respect him.
Stop
trying to get up. You're not getting up.
Okay.
What's going on?
But why is he grabbing me? I'm trying to respect you and I can't see from back.
Ma'am, talk to me. Talk to me.
Yeah, but how can I do this? But why is he holding my clothes?
Ma'am, just talk with me.
I bought this. I'm trying to give you the ticket. One second.
What's it?
One second. I'm trying to. Oh gosh! Hey!
Ma'am, you need to listen, okay?
Hey! I'm dead.
You're not dead. You're
I'm
breathing,
dead.
you're talking.
I can't breathe. Hey!
You're
Look!
You're yelling.
Listen to me.
Look at him! I can't breathe.
You can breathe just fine.
No, I can't breathe.
You're
can
breathing.
obviously breathe. You're
I'm trying to tell you guys something.
Okay, but listen,
Look,
you
look at
can't.
this.
You
Look,
can't.
I'm trying to give you guys something.
Take a breath.
continue to try to get up.
I'm trying to give you guys something.
If you continue to try to get up,
I'm trying to talk to him. Yes.
wanna
Can I
talk to
respect you?
everybody who comes-
Well, I need to respect him.
what's wrong?
I'm trying to tell you something. I can't talk. But I need to get up and talk because it's like I'm not human.
You want to get up and talk?
Yes.
7, any updates?
Him.
She already did.
Yeah, they don't want to press charges.
I'll be heading over there shortly.
The substantive charge lives in Florida's dedicated retail theft statute, Section 812.015. It reaches more than walking out with goods. It covers manipulating tags or containers and resisting lawful recovery, all with intent to deprive the merchant of full retail value. Value then controls the grade under Section 812.014, $750 or more, but under $5,000, is grand theft of the third degree, a felony. Designer goods described in the thousands place this conduct above that line by value alone. Because the merchandise spans several stores, Florida's 2024 Organized Retail Theft Amendments also apply, since they target coordinated multi-victim taking. The second charge turns on a distinction that decides whether a person leaves jail on a misdemeanor or a felony. Section 843.022, Resisting Without Violence, covers fleeing, going limp, and refusing lawful commands. It is a first-degree misdemeanor. Section 843.021, Resisting with Violence, requires striking or kicking and elevates the offense to a third-degree felony. Nothing in this encounter crosses that line, which keeps the exposure at the misdemeanor level.
Why is he touching me? He's a bad person.
Because you wouldn't.
I don't know him.
Okay.
Why is he in my bag without you guys concerned?
Under arrest.
Yeah, let's do that. Yes. But why are you holding me? Look, why is he holding me?
Because you can't get up by yourself.
Okay, but I'm fine.
Okay.
Wait, but
Where you going?
I'm hurting. I'm hurting here. I can't. Hey!
If you're not
I
going to
can't. I'm hurting.
If you're not going to walk, you're going to be
I'm
carried.
hurting. Hey! How can you guys do this to me? I'm hurting.
Ma'am,
I can't speak. Help me. Help me. I can't walk.
Well, you're grabbing my leg.
I'm not grabbing your leg.
What do you do? Look at this.
To pick you up.
She's grabbing my... You see this, right?
Hey, my mom! Hey! You guys! Yes! I'm hurting! Yes! I can't pick up! Why are they taking me to go? Huh? What about that?
Okay.
Now you're getting criminal mischief.
Yep.
What about that?
Charges.
What about that? I can't go in. Okay, but yes! Why is it impossible? Huh? Why is this impossible? Where am I going? Huh? No, it's impossible. Where am I going? Hey, my hands! I can't walk.
Avoid you getting injured.
Okay.
So have a seat and relax.
Okay.
The more you struggle, the more it's going to be difficult, and you could get hurt. And we don't want that. Okay?
Every physical act by the officers is measured under Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. That standard asks what a reasonable officer would do in the moment, judged from the scene rather than with hindsight. Lifting a subject who has chosen to go limp is a low point on the force continuum. No strikes, no weapons, no pain compliance techniques appear. The most consequential question is medical. Under City of Canton versus Harris, also 1989, officers must respond reasonably to a serious medical need. Repeated offers of an ambulance and keeping the subject upright satisfy much of that duty. Verbally overruling a breathing complaint does not. The defensible practice is to let emergency medical services, not officers, decide whether someone can breathe.
New Jersey, yeah.
That's all right. Ofasa or something? Beautiful. At this point, I'm just going to have a squad respond to headquarters. We're not going to wait here for them. What's up?
Yeah, our supervisor asked if you want to get anyone from Gucci to come and identify anything.
Well, they just said she didn't take anything, right? Or did she take something? Nothing's Gucci here?
I don't know what BP is.
BP? Gas station? I mean, this is clearly new.
Yeah, I wouldn't take it by that.
That's what I'm saying. I don't even know who makes this. Alabaster?
Step the squad stage at headquarters. Females being kept out of the facility and on the vehicle.
Nothing else in there? There's nothing else in there? It's Nordstrom.
We need, alright, you want to take this stuff and then I'll start
We
bringing
got
it down?
two. These I'll take to Nordstrom because these are going to be Nordstrom.
Welcome back.
This is Victoria's Secret.
Good to be back. Express doesn't want to press charges, they want nothing to do with it. have the dress around.
The dress?
Yeah, she took a dress off the mannequin.
They got the dress back?
Kind of
No,
dress.
they got the mannequin back, but not the dress. It's like a white.
Yeah,
She's wearing a white dress.
skirt on.
Tell them we have her in custody. Why do they want to press charges?
Who, Gucci?
No, the
Express.
The express for the man.
No, this ain't dude.
Don't let her out. We'll get it back at headquarters. Hey, get out!
I was trying to tell you not to open it.
Stop. Stop.
I know.
Sorry, matron is on.
Man.
It's that foot, yeah. That's why I was going to put her in my car.
Hi, this is going to be Victoria's Secret. Or this is Nordstrom. This is Victoria's Secret.
Take all the property.
But that's not the dress. That's not
It's a
the
white dress. Her camo pants are right there that she was wearing. She took them off.
Oh, okay.
100%. 100%. This is stolen from somewhere.
Is that the Gucci bag?
Style & Co.
And that's the bra that she's wearing. This is going to go back to the back.
Where's she changed? Where did she change?
This has got to be served better with all
That's why everyone was telling me.
You got the Gucci bag?
No, I don't see a bag anymore. She got up pretty quick though. I don't know. If anything else fell and Matos put her down, should be in the cat. I gave it dispatch.
Yeah,
That's her. You can put that in that bag.
let's put it in now.
I tried to put more stuff in there, but my glove broke. All right, it's coming down.
Nothing else has tags, right? It's just this.
Just that stuff I saw. Everything else is garbage. So you'll be able to get a camera.
Process. So you're going down to the full space.
Yeah, I have her idea. I'll start populating. I'll meet you down there.
I'll go to Express and get a statement.
On the grades, the officers earn a B+. Their probable cause was strong, their Miranda delivery prompt, and their force minimal, but their dismissal of the breathing complaints holds the mark down. The subject earns a D+. Flight and sustained refusal to comply are indefensible, though the absence of violence and signs of a possible crisis prevent a failing grade. The department earns a B, reflecting sound training on rights and medical aid, with room to tighten professionalism. The lessons here are narrow but durable. First, a camera identification plus recovered property is a near-complete theft case before a word is spoken. Second, compliance, not resistance, is the only lawful response to an arrest a person believes is wrong. The remedy is the courtroom, never the curb. And third, a breathing complaint is a medical question, not a debate. The reasonable officer summons help and lets professionals answer it. Let us know if there's an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.